Did you know some plants can actually change their color, like a living rainbow in your backyard? Yep, I'm talking about plants that shift shades as the seasons change, the light hits them differently, or the temperature drops. Today we're exploring the top 12 color-changing plants that will make your garden feel like magic all year long. Let's dive in. This list might surprise you. 1. Coleus. If you love drama, coleus is your plant. Its leaves come in wild mixes of red, pink, green, and yellow, and they change shade depending on sunlight. In full sun, colors pop bright. In shade, they deepen and darken. Trim them often to keep that full, bushy look. 2. Hydrangea. A true garden chameleon. Its flower color can shift from pink to blue based on soil pH. Acidic soil makes them blue. Alkaline turns them pink. You can literally change the color yourself by adding soil acidifiers or garden lime, like doing a science experiment in your yard. 3. Croton. This tropical beauty bursts with red, orange, yellow, and green leaves that intensify under bright light. When light levels change or temperatures drop, the colors shift. It's like watching a plant sunset right at home. 4. Japanese maple. Known for its elegant leaves, this tree changes color beautifully through the year. In spring, it's soft green or red, then turns golden or deep crimson in autumn. Each season feels like a new show, and it's surprisingly low maintenance in raised beds or large pots. 5. Smoke bush. Its leaves transform from rich purple to smoky pink and bronze through the year. When it flowers, it looks like puffs of smoke rising from the plant, hence the name. Perfect for adding texture and mystery to your garden design. 6. Heuchera. A gardener's favorite for color variety. Heucheras can shift from lime green to burgundy to bronze depending on season and light. They're hardy, evergreen in many zones, and perfect for adding constant visual interest to borders or shady spots. 7. Autumn fern. Unlike most ferns, the autumn fern changes color dramatically. New fronds emerge copper or orange, then fade to green as they mature. It's one of those plants that quietly keeps your garden looking alive even in cooler months. 8. Chinese fringe flower. This shrub sports deep burgundy leaves that can shift to greenish bronze tones in hot weather, then back to rich red when it's cooler. It also blooms with pink, fringe-like flowers that look like fireworks. Great for year-round color. 9. Caladium. These heart-shaped tropical leaves are pure artwork, and their colors can vary based on sunlight and age. Some start white with pink veins, then deepen to red or green later. They love warm tongue and partial shade, so they're perfect for bright patios or raised beds. 10. Cochleaf hydrangea. Not your typical hydrangea. Its leaves shift from green to red, purple, and bronze in the fall. Even after the blooms fade, those changing leaves keep the show going right into winter. 11. Nandina. No, it's not real bamboo, but it sure acts dramatic. The leaves change from bright green in summer to fiery red and orange in fall and winter. It's drought tolerant and great for low maintenance color all year. 12. Coleus. This underrated gem has fine, feathery foliage that glows lime green in spring and turns bronze pink in cold weather. When brushed, it releases a sweet scent. It's perfect for sensory gardens, color and aroma together. Extra tips. Play with light. Some plants show stronger colors in full sun, while others glow best in partial shade. Try moving pots around to see what makes them happiest. Water wisely. Color changes can fade if plants are stressed, so keep them evenly watered, not soggy, not dry. Temperature matters. Cooler nights often bring out deeper reds and purples, especially in fall. Fertilize gently. Too much nitrogen can make leaves greener but reduce their color variety. Use balanced or organic feeds instead. Combine wisely. Mix plants that shift differently, like pairing coleus with euchera for a constant kaleidoscope of color. If you enjoyed this colorful garden journey, hit that like button and subscribe for more nature magic every week. Tell me in the comments, which color-changing plant would you love to add to your garden first? Until next time, keep growing, keep glowing, and may your garden always stay full of color.